In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy an NFT on OpenSea with your Trust wallet. First, open your browser and head to OpenSea.io, the homepage of the marketplace where millions of NFTs are listed. From the top navigation, open Collections. This is where you'll browse entire projects rather than individual items, which makes discovery easier. Use the filter panel on the page to narrow things down. Start with category to focus on what you care about: art, music, gaming, and more. Next, choose chains to pick the blockchain that matches your Trust wallet network and funds like Ethereum, Polygon, or others. Fees and transaction times vary by chain, so this choice matters. Then set a floor price range to stay within budget, which filters collections by their lowest listing price. If you already know a collection or creator, use the search bar at the top to jump straight to it. When you find a collection you like, open it to browse items. Take a moment to review details such as the description, properties, item history, and any creator verification checkmark. Feel free to sort by price or recently listed to speed up the hunt. Click the NFT you want to purchase to open its item page. If it's available at a fixed price, you'll see Buy Now. Select that to start checkout. A checkout window appears. Before confirming, look for the wallet option and choose Change so you can complete the purchase with Trust Wallet. In the wallet selector, pick Trust Wallet and then Save. This tells OpenSea to route the transaction to your Trust Wallet. Now choose Buy to proceed. At this point, you may be prompted to authenticate, such as confirming in your wallet with a passcode or biometrics. Approve the request to finalize the purchase. Keep your wallet app handy if you're on mobile, or your extension if you're on desktop. After confirmation, the transaction will process on the chain you selected. Network congestion and gas fees can affect its speed and cost, so be patient while it finalizes. You'll be able to view the NFT on its item page and in your profile once it's confirmed. Quick tips as you go. Make sure you have sufficient funds on the correct network and Trust wallet, including a little extra for gas. Double check that the chain filter matches the token you intend to use, and review collection authenticity by looking for verification and healthy activity. Never share your seed phrase or private keys with anyone. That's it. You've used OpenSea's discovery tools, selected an NFT, switched the checkout to Trust Wallet, and completed your buy. Replay sections as needed and enjoy your new collectible.